Hi, we're going to talk about the Tanssi network free airdrop guide. Tanssi is an appchain infrastructure protocol that is under construction to simplify appchain development. So let's go down straight on how you can participate in this airdrop. Firstly, you need to go to their website. You need to download and set up subwallet extension from your Chrome extension. The link to download the extension is on the description box of this video. And next, you have to head to the Tanssi network website. The link is still at the description box of this video. All you need to do is to click on the link and you will get on the page just like on my screen. And next, you are going to click on login to participate, and it's going to ask you to log in via Twitter, and you go ahead and click on that. And next up, you would have to authorize your Twitter to connect to Tanssi network. Okay, and that is going on. Alright, and next up, you are going to agree to the terms and condition. Next, we are going to follow Tanssi on Twitter. Just go up and click on follow Tanssi on Twitter. And next, we are going to connect our Discord account. Alright, okay, next we'll connect our Discord account. And next up, we are going to go ahead and authorize to connect your Discord. Next, we are going to verify our email. Enter your email address, enter the verification code sent to your mail, and verify your email. Next, you're going to go back to the home page and click on Dance Box Faucets and connect your sub wallet just like on my screen. Connect and verify the account. Click on use this account and claim your Faucets. Next, click on claim 5.0 Dance, and you're on the queue to get the Faucets. Once it's sent, you get this notification that you've gotten your Faucets. And next, you can now go ahead and finish all the other tasks on the home page. Connect your Telegram, follow Tanssi on LinkedIn. Just make sure you complete every other task on the page. And that is the end of the Tanssi network airdrop guide. Do well to share your referral link so that you can get more points. Thank you so much for watching. This is the CDT Academy.